Students, welcome back to my channel. This is a question from number system class 9. Simplify 6 by 2 root 3 minus root 6 plus root 6 by root 3 plus root 2 minus 4 root 3 by root 6 minus root 2. Now there are totally 3 terms here, right? So what we will do is we will take individually each term and start rationalizing it. Okay? So what is the first term? It is 6 by 2 root 3 minus root 6. So what is the rationalizing factor here? 2 root 3 plus root 6. That you have to multiply and divide. Okay. We have done such type of sums. If you have not seen that videos, go to my channel playlist of class 9 number system and check out the videos. So let me multiply this with the numerator. So we will be getting 6 times 2 root 3 plus root 6. Okay. By this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So it will be a square minus b square. Here our a is 2 root 3 and b is root 6. So it will be 2 root 3 whole square minus root 6 whole square. So now I am not going to remove the bracket. First I will see the denominator and then I will try to simplify the numerator. So 6 times 2 root 3 plus root 6 by, what is 2 root 3 whole square? Children, 2 root 3 whole square is nothing but you have to square both 2 and root 3. 2 square is 4 into root 3 square is 3. So it will be 12. Okay. 4 times 3 is 12 minus root 6 square is 6. So what we will be getting? 6 times 2 root 3 plus root 6 by 12 minus 6 is 6. Now I can cancel this 6 with this 6. Okay. So what I will be getting, the first term as 2 root 3 plus root 6. Okay. Now let us see the second term. Second term is root 6 by root 3 plus root 2. Okay. Root 6 by root 3 plus root 2. So what is the rationalizing factor here? Root 3 minus root 2. Okay. That you write in the numerator and denominator. Now numerator you multiply. So say root 6 times root 3 minus root 2 by, again a plus b into a minus b. So root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Okay. So we will be getting root 6 times root 3 minus root 2 by, what is root 3 square? It is 3 minus root 2 square is 2. Okay. 3 minus 2, 1 we will get. So now I will try to simplify the numerator. Root 6 into root 3 is root 18. Okay. Minus root 6 into root 2 is root 12 by 3 minus 2 is 1. Fine. Now let me write root 18 in simplest form. What is root 18 factors? 2 9s 18, 3 3s. So 3 is making a pair. Since it's a square root, so just make pairs. So whatever is in the pair, write one time. What is without pair, you write within the square root. So root 18 is nothing but 3 root 2. So I will be writing here 3 root 2 minus, what is root 12? Same thing. What are the factors of 12? 2 6 times, 2 3 times. So 2 is making a pair. So write 1 time 2 and which is without pair, write within the square root. So it will be 2 root 3. By 1 I need not write. Okay. So we got this 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Okay. Now see the third term. What is the third term? 4 root 3 by root 6 minus root 2. Okay. 4 root 3 by root 6 minus root 2. Same thing. What is the rationalizing factor here? Root 6 plus root 2. Okay. That we have to write in numerator and denominator. Multiply numerator. So 4 root 3 times root 6 plus root 2 by, now a plus b into a minus b, again root 6 whole square minus root 2 whole square, right? Now 4 root 3 times root 6 plus root 2 by, what is root 6 square, children? It is 6 minus root 2 square is 2. So we will be getting 4 root 3 times root 6 plus root 2 by 6 minus 2 is 4. This 4 we can cancel. So what we are left with? We are left with root 3 times root 6 plus root 2. Now try to simplify this. What is root 3 into root 6? It is root 18 plus root 3 into root 2 is root 6. We have already written root 18 and root 18 in simplest form. What is root 18 in simplest form? It is 3 root 2. Okay. So it is 3 root 2 plus root 6 as it is. Now we got all the three terms, for third term, second term and first term. Now we will try to substitute here. So 6 by 2 root 3 minus 6 is nothing but, we can write here. So it is nothing but 2 root 3. This step, now I will try to, whatever I have simplified, I am trying to write it. 2 root 3 plus root 6 we got, right? First term. Second term, what did we get? Plus. Whenever it is plus, children, we need not put a bracket. But whenever it is minus, don't forget. So we got 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Okay? And here it is negative sign. So put negative followed by a bracket. That is very, very important. So we got 3 root 2 plus root 6. Okay? 3 root 2 plus root 6. Now let us simplify. Open the bracket. So 2 root 3 plus root 6 plus 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 as it is. Okay? Now remove the bracket. So it will become minus 3 root 2. Again plus into minus is minus root 6. Now just see here. 2 root 3 positive this is. And this is negative 2 root 3. Cancel kar do. Positive root 6, negative root 6 gets cancelled. Plus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 gets cancelled. So what will be the answer for this, children? The answer is 0. Okay. Hope you like this video. And for such interesting questions, you can subscribe to my channel.